Students and Exam Fear, written by Shri A.K. Rajvanshi. According to sources, around 13,000 students committed suicide in 2022. It is imperative to examine pressure on young minds that force them to commit suicide. And how have we come to this sorry situation where the students lose their desire to live? The young and formative minds are more prone to come under pressure. At a young age, the brain is powerful and unhampered by memory knots. This makes it sensitive, and such sensitive minds easily buckle under pressure. From early childhood, children are conditioned to excel in exams and achieve good grades. Consequently, we have become an exam passing society which not only puts tremendous pressure on young minds but also suppresses their curiosity and inventiveness. Most children are afraid of failing exams. The pressure to perform creates fear. Such strong fears created at a young age make the mind highly strung, and any trigger can break it. If we can create conditions that allow us to sublimate these strong desires into something positive, like having children engage in challenging physical and creative work and presenting them with interesting tasks, then loneliness may be reduced. One way to help children is to instill in them a desire and interest in reading. If children read a lot, it will be good for their mind and their development. Reading helps create an internal mental movie which uses a major portion of the brain. This expands the mind's horizon by allowing one to think, assimilate, and reflect on new ideas. This is far better than the information onslaught from social media and mobile phones. The physical interaction that children lack increases loneliness. In older days, there was no way to avoid physical contact. It helped in overcoming loneliness and resolving mental issues. We can help children by the following ways: by creating curiosity among children and making them aware that there are other things in life than only passing exams, making them aware that there are other avenues of employment besides engineering and medicine. Parents need to spend more time with their children by creating an interesting environment in school that children become interested and curious about issues surrounding them. Once their bright formative minds are seized of the idea, then they will vigorously pursue it. In its absence, they revert to social media and idle chit chat. By enabling development of empathy and compassion in them, through counseling services or spiritual practices. Being empathetic to others and compassionate towards other people's suffering to a greater degree reduces the sense of aloofness and helps in developing resilience. Thanks for your attention. If we can create conditions that allow us to sublimate these strong desires into something positive, sublimate is to direct your energy to socially acceptable activities like art, exercise, work, etc. Thank you very much.